times 2 is 6. Then 18 divided by 6 gives 3. And then 3 divided by 3 equals 1. But this is wrong. Why? Because we are to apply the PEMDAS rule. Yes, and when applying the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division are on the same hierarchy, same as addition and subtraction. This means that whenever multiplication and division or addition and subtraction appear together in the same question, we solve from left to right. That being said, from this question now, you see that division appears before multiplication. That means we are to divide before we multiply.
Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where we break down tricky math concepts into clear, step-by-step lessons you can understand in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
18 divided by 3 gives 6. So this becomes 6 times 2, then over 3. 6 times 2 is 12. So, or we can say 3 will go here 1 and 3 will go here 2. So this becomes 2 times 2 and the answer is 4. Or you can also say 6 times 2 over 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 over 3 gives 4. You still get the correct answer, but make sure that you do not multiply before you divide. You have to divide before multiplying whenever multiplication and division appear together in the same question. So now, to be sure that you understand what I just explained, try this. 20 divided by 5 times 2 over 2. Try it and leave your answer in the comment. 20 divided by 5 times 2 all over 2.